Welcome to OzDive. Today we'll show you how to log a dive step by step. Open your logbook and start a new dive. Start with your photos. The date, time, and location read straight from each shot. The date and time come from your photo. Give the dive a name. Your maximum depth, this one is required. And how long you were underwater. Rate the dive out of 5. Tap Capture GPS. Your coordinates drop onto the map, and your country and city fill in automatically. Note the conditions: water and air temperature, wind, swell, and visibility. Add the marine life you saw, search the list, or add your own. Tag the buddies you dived with. And write your notes, your story of the dive. Add anything that's left and log the dive. Your dive is saved to your logbook, and your photos appear in your gallery, sorted by country and by category.